turning your restaurant into an online ordering machine just got a lot easier. Everyone knows many people prefer the convenience of ordering food online or from their smartphones. It's efficient and hassle-free. It's fast and familiar. Most consumers prefer convenience over all other factors, but how can you capitalize on this digital trend without spending a fortune? The answer is ByteHeist. ByteHeist is an online ordering platform that has a mobile-first approach. We aim to revolutionize mobile ordering by putting mobile technology to work. Every ByteHeist client gets a custom-branded iPhone app, Android app, website store, and mobile web store. No matter where your customers work up their appetite, they can order and pay directly from you. Here's how it works. 1. Your customers download your free app from the App Store when they see your flyer, Facebook post, or email. 2. They place an order right from their phone on your custom-branded mobile app or your website. 3. They either pay with a credit card online or pay with cash at your restaurant. 4. Once their order is confirmed, it gets sent to you via your ByteHeist printing station. We use a customized printing station so you have nothing that requires monitoring. When a customer places an order, the order gets printed right in front of you. No checking your email or checking your phone for incoming orders. It's completely hands-free. Why mobile first, you ask? Here are the numbers that make the ByteHeist mobile first approach a no-brainer. 18% of orders come from mobile. Mobile ticket sales increased by 20% compared to on-location restaurant orders. Office orders increased by 25%. A large, well-known bread, soup, and sandwich chain recently spent $42 million perfecting their mobile ordering to capture this mobile revolution. Here's how you can get started. 1. Sign up on our website or give us a call. 2. We upload your menu and start designing your mobile apps. 3. You receive and plug in your printing station. 4. Once your apps are live, you aggressively promote it with our help. It's time to ditch the third-party menu provider that puts you in competition with thousands of other restaurants. Stand out and stand up with ByteHeist. Let the mobile revolution change the way people order from your restaurant. ByteHeist, lifting the ordering experience. Contact us right now